most recent video discussing how I enhance my workflow with scripts in After Effects, many of you have inquired about how I personalize my After Effects interface. Therefore, in this video, I will demonstrate my customization process. Please be mindful of adding scripts or extensions to your UI only if you frequently use them. If not, it is advisable to remove them as they can potentially slow down your After Effects performance. After Effects comes with this user interface as standard. Once your scripts and extensions are installed correctly, you can access scripts and extensions in their respective tabs. Now, let's begin with the Easy Tools script by docking it here. Next, I will also position the Reach script in this spot. Feel free to place them wherever you like and adjust as needed. Don't forget to take a look at my video description for steps on how to alter the color of your user interface. After organizing your panels, proceed to the Window option and navigate to Workspace.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to join my Discord server for updates. For direct message, kindly join my Telegram channel.